everybody, this is Colt from Gone Hollow Minis. I just wanted to give everyone a quick update on some of the content that's going to be coming out going forward. As you might remember, Elden Ring the board game has recently come out, and I have a ton of miniatures to paint from that. However, a lot of those are just kind of little gribbly monsters, which isn't the most engaging content. So to make up for that, I'm going to be starting a new series that releases every Tuesday. Now you might remember that Gone Hollow Minis usually only posts on Fridays, but this will be an additional post not taking anything away from the usual Friday uploads. These will be shorter videos, which I'm calling Tarnished Tuesdays because I'm a sucker for alliteration, that focuses on some of the smaller enemies in the Elden Ring board game. It's just kind of a way for me to get the smaller, less interesting miniatures out of the way while still putting out a tutorial for those that are following along with it. Like I said, these will be shorter videos in addition to the usual Friday uploads. The Friday uploads will still focus on Warhammer, maybe some of the larger Elden Ring miniatures, and just kind of some of the other projects that I've got going on in the background. Additionally, the response to the Krieg organization and transfer video that I did a while ago was pretty solid, and there are people that requested for more factions. So I'm going to be making that a series as well. If you have any idea for the name of this series, again, alliteration is bonus points, do let me know in the comments. So yeah, just more content coming your way. I don't want to sacrifice any of the Warhammer stuff, but at the same time, I do want to get Elden Ring painted. It'll be a kind of best of both worlds. I'll still be able to get to paint Elden Ring and get to show you some of the smaller miniatures, while still giving myself time for the larger, more impressive ones like the dragons and Godric, who's been looking at me for quite some time, and I can't wait to get him painted up. Regardless, thank you for sticking around. I hope you're excited for a lot of these videos that are up on deck. This week, the first Tarnished Tuesday will be tomorrow, as of the posting of this video, and we'll feature some of the dogs. Lots of dogs. There are a ton of dogs in these boxes. Friday, we'll be doing the full video on the transfers and organization of the Blood Angels chapter. So keep an eye out for those, and of course, until next time, friends, be safe, be kind, and don't you dare go hollow.